still manually type in your Wi-Fi password, here is an easier way to do that through QR code, and watch it till the end. We're gonna show you some interesting tips. So first of all, make sure that your phone supports QR code scanning. Most phones support it just within your casual camera app. Some phones need an extra QR code scanner. You can get it in the Play Store. Then ask a person who is already connected to the network to go into his Wi-Fi settings and open up your QR code tab. So here's our QR code. Simply open up your camera app in my case. Now pull up your QR code to the camera, and as you see, it's already pulled up on our screen. Simply tap on it, and as you see, we are immediately connected to it. Easy as that. If your phone does not support this camera scanner, well, it's not a big deal. We're simply to open up our QR code scanner. Let me do that. Here is our scan QR code option. I have it pre-installed. If it's not pre-installed, as I already said, you can get it from the Google Play Store, but the process is pretty much the same. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.